We're making pancakes today. I got my egg in the bowl, melted, unsalted butter, a little bit of vanilla, and 1 3/4 cup of milk. Then whisk that all together. Then we're going to put our flour in the sifter. I better get a plate, because flour's going to go through it. Okay. Now we're putting flour in, all-purpose flour, not self-rising. Self-rising's got 440 milligrams for a half cup. Going to put our sugar in, and our 0 sodium baking powder. Comes from Healthy Heart Market. You have to order it. Takes maybe a week and a half maybe to get to you. Sift it all in there. Stir it up. The odd thing is sometimes I had to put in another tablespoon of milk. I don't know why. Maybe it's got something to do with humidity or something. I don't know. Just kind of stir it up a little bit. Then we're going to cook them. I'm going to spray my pan with Crisco butter spray. Then drop these in here by the spoonful, and then they kind of settle out a little bit. Cook them just like Galway pancakes, except for the low sodium deal. They come out real fluffy and good. If you plan on using the imitation syrup on your pancakes, look at it. They start at 210 milligrams for a 1/4 cup and go up. Costco pure maple syrup, Kirkland, doesn't have any sodium. Most of the pure maple syrups are from 0 to 10 for a 1/4 cup. You can have some syrup on these pancakes. Almost ready to flip. I get 20 pancakes out of this recipe. Not time to turn them yet. We cook these until the bubbles start breaking on the top, and then flip them over. When they get done, I put them on cooling rack. After we eat what we want, we stick them in the refrigerator. I could lay them flat in a plastic bag and freeze them, but they don't last that long. We'll eat this batch of pancakes in 2 or 3 days. Looks just like regular pancakes that have sodium in them. If you want more butter, you can use unsalted butter. But try that pure maple syrup. These are really light and fluffy. They're good. Those are really good. I don't know if I forgot to tell you this or not, but when you get these pancakes done and you stick them in your refrigerator, just pop them in your toaster. This is a lot of pancakes for 289 milligrams of sodium. There's 14.45 in each pancake, but now I'm going to make you really hungry. Got some strawberries at my store. cleaned them and smashed them with my potato masher. Put a little bit of sugar in there. Now, I'm putting strawberries on. And Ready Whip has no sodium. So, look at that. That's what I'm going to have. Bon appetit. That's what Julia Childs used to always say.